This is a tutorial how to crochet this ribbed scarf. This scarf is very easy for beginners and it is very stretchy. And this is only one row repeat. The scarf is long that I will crochet. It is long, but you can definitely make it as infinity scarf as well. Great easy pattern for beginners, and I'm using chunky yarn. Again, it's very stretchy and easy to make. To crochet this scarf, I'm using super chunky yarn, weight 6, and my crochet hook is N15 10 millimeters. To start, we make a slip knot and chain 24. Now we'll skip 2 chains into the third, make a single crochet, and I now go into each chain and make a single crochet. This is my last stitch and I have 22 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. And we'll make into a back loop. So those are 2 strands right here. We insert into the middle and make a single crochet, and we'll go like this into each stitch back loop, inserting into that middle and make a single crochet. I have 2 stitches and I have total 22 single crochet stitches. So make sure you do not reduce the stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, and we'll continue like this. We'll go insert into that stitch, this one, back loop, and make single crochet again into each back loop. Two last stitches and I have 22 single crochet stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, and continue like this each row. Insert into back loop, single crochet, continue like this until the desired length. The scarf that I got is very stretchy though, and it looks very nice. It seems like it is knitted, but with those ribbed stitches, and it stretches. So once you crochet, you can crochet it as a long scarf or make it as infinity scarf and connect the two sides and have it as a loop. And again, you just chain one and continue with those single crochet stitches into a back loop. And each row I have 22 single crochet stitches. This pattern is easy for beginners, and this is just one row repeat, very easy, and any beginner can try this pattern and make this scarf. And it is a good idea actually to count the stitches so you are not reducing. So I finished, and this scarf now is 64 inches long, not stretched. And once you finish, just fasten off, pull the yarn and hide the ends. The scarf is 11 inches wide and 64 inches long. So I used for this 3 skeins. I will add one additional skein, so to make it longer, as I want to have this very long scarf. So 3 skeins, and I got 64 inches long, not stretched, and it stretches very, very well. 64 inches, 11 inches wide. And yes, I will add one additional skein to make it longer. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.